What are some soft skills also that you might think are essential, especially, while working at probably studios, and you probably met with other teachers as well, some of the successful ones or people that really are able to impart great knowledge. What are some things that you see that a good yoga teacher really has?
See, this is a very cliche thing, but you got to be true to yourself. You can't pretend to be nice.
Yeah.
You can't pretend to be, okay, I care for you when you genuinely don't. If somebody is, I lose my patience sometimes. If I'm telling a person to do this 10 times, like the 11th time, I'm going to be a little pissed off about it, which is fine. And it's human.
Yeah.
And
everybody is human. So that should be expected.
Yeah. And the other person understands that completely. So you've got to be just true and honest in this, because you're actually dealing with people. And a lot of times people who come to yoga can be quite vulnerable. They can be quite open. They can discuss things with you that you would think are surprising, that you were not expecting.
Yeah.
So you've got to be you don't have to get into that zone of being the therapist or anything. Right?
There's a line that you have to draw at some point.
Exactly. Yeah. So soft skills would include good communication skills, also including where to draw the line.
Yeah. Absolutely. That's part of good communication,
absolutely.
Right? But learning where to say no, where to say, this is not where my responsibilities lie.
That's not my job.
Yeah.
You've got to say that sometimes. So, I think that's one of the most important things to do.